Hi, this video is to give you instructions on how to set up an account with the SOLIDWORKS Testing Center, what they call their 3D Experience Certification Center, so that you can take the CSWA exam that we will be using as the final exam in MECH 2010. So the first thing you need to do is to go to this website, 3dexperience.virtualtester.com. There is some information right here that provides you some information on how to take the exam. You can take a look at that, but I'm going to walk you through the process here. So the first thing you need to do is download this small client. It's called a Tester Pro client. So we'll go ahead and download it. I typically would save something like this to the desktop. So we'll go ahead and save that. And once it's downloaded, I'm using Chrome, so it downloads down here on the bottom. So I will just wait till it finishes downloading, and then I will click Open. So it just launches it's a self-extracting file, so it just launches the executable. So I'm going to go ahead and agree with the information and allow it to install. And now that the client has finished installing, I'll go ahead and click Finish. Note that it's going to run automatically. So once it starts, you choose English as your application language, and it connects to the server. And you're going to do this both for setting up your account and then next week when you actually take the exam. So what I'm requesting now is that you go ahead and create your account so that you don't run into any problems. So Joe Smith. Here that you confirm, and you can put your own address here, or you can just put the school's address. The country is the US, and then you have to go ahead and accept the privacy policy, which you can read if you're so inclined. And you can put a tick in this check mark if you would like to be included in the online directory of users. Instead of clicking continue here, I'm going to go ahead and I already have a virtual tester ID, so I'll go ahead and just click here. And when you come back next week to actually take the exam, this is where you'll start. So please try to remember your the password that you use in creating your account. Okay, so I will go ahead and continue. And now you'll notice that it's going to ask you for an event ID or a voucher. So I will be sending this voucher code out to you via email next Tuesday morning, and I would like you to take the exam sometimes between next Tuesday morning and the end of the day on Saturday.